Hey, if you wonder how you can take the macro photos on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, let me quickly show you. So for sure you can use this dedicated macro mode, but in my opinion it doesn't work good because we can only put our smartphone between 3 to 5 centimeters away. We cannot go closer. So let me show you how it actually looks, and I'm going to show you my way how you can actually capture better looking macro photos. So as you can see now, when I'm going like this, it's actually out of the focus, so I have to put it a little bit higher, for example like this, and now I can take the photo. And let me show you my way. So first I can recommend you to simply use the zoom feature. So when you put your phone like really close, you can still use this zoom, and when you keep holding your phone steady, you can go definitely closer. Take a look, and still you are not losing the focus. You can even go for the 10x and take a look. When you keep holding your phone steady, you can capture this photo. And I'm not sure what you think about this one, but in my opinion, right here we can find more details than using this macro mode. But there's also the second way, so we can actually turn the 50 megapixel mode and enable the flashlight. There we go. Now let's try to take the photo. We have to actually catch the focus. So it's actually losing right now for some reason, but just be patient and try to adjust the focus. Like this, for example. Okay, this is actually really strange. It's actually doesn't allow us to focus, but right now, there we go, the photo was taken. And now when we take a look for some details, let's take a look. We can also find a lot of details thanks to the 50 megapixel mode, in my opinion, more than right here. So yeah, this is it. This is my tips how we can take actually the macro photos on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.